Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you once again to e-commerce. We are here for a better future. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all? Hi Om. So guys, let's start this session now with some positive thoughts. चलिए कुछ पॉजिटिव के साथ सेशन को स्टार्ट किया जाए. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. आप अपनी आंखों पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते अगर आपका ध्यान कहीं और है. And this had happened with me a lot. हाय दिया, हाय पुष्कर, हाय विकास. आपके फाइनल एग्जाम्स ऑनलाइन है. इससे अच्छी गुड न्यूज क्या हो सकती है दिया? सो इसने आपका दिन बना दिया होगा ना. दिस हैड मेड योर डे. So you can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. अभी आपका डेप्रिसिएशन चैप्टर रिवीजन कर रहे थे, बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया. You're welcome विकास. समझ आया, ये काफी है. कॉपी मारने मतलब हाय पंजाब फूडीज. कॉपी मारने में मजा आता है. दैट्स रॉन्ग. अब फाइनल एग्जाम्स में कॉपी करोगे तो कॉपी करने से नंबर तो आ जाएंगे, लेकिन नॉलेज कभी नहीं आएगी दिया. सो कॉपी करना यूटीज वगैरह में चलता है, लेकिन हर टाइम कॉपी करना इज नॉट गुड, क्योंकि आपको एट द एंड नॉलेज भी चाहिए. आपको 12th में आना है तो आपको नॉलेज भी चाहिए, और आप कॉपी कर रहे हो इसका मतलब नॉलेज नहीं आ रही. सो नॉलेज इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन मार्क्स. पंजाब फूडीज, आई थिंक यू आर अ बॉय. बाद में मेहनत कर लेंगे, बाद वाला कभी नहीं आता. Yesterday I have told you that don't say there is time, because there is a phrase that it's too late. अगर आपको 11th के बेसिस टॉपिक्स क्लियर नहीं है, then 12th is going to be very very difficult, क्योंकि जो आप 11th में पढ़ने वाले वो सब 12th में काम आने वाला है, और अगर आपको 11th समझ नहीं आई तो 12th भी नहीं आने वाली. Hi अंजलि. So guys, this is class 11th accountancy session. And let's have our today's schedule. तो देखते हैं आज किसकी क्लास होने वाली है. At 6 p.m. I will be taking class 12th accountancy session, and at 7 p.m. Neha ma'am will be taking your economics session. Hi Vansh, hi Daksa. The copy cancel. Yes, that's right. So guys, this is class 11th accountancy session, and if you guys want daily updates and daily notes from us, then what you have to do, you have to subscribe our channel, and you have to like this video and share this with your friends. तो जल्दी से जाइए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए एंड ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करिए. अगर आपको और अपडेट्स चाहिए और ऐसी क्लासेस चाहिए तो जल्दी से जाओ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. Yes, Daksh, we have done all the chapters as per the updated syllabus. अगर आपको notes चाहिए in the PDF form, if you guys want notes in the PDF form, then you can join our Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is in the description box below. Hi Abhyankar, I am all good. Yes, हमने voucher and source document कर लिया है. आपका बर्थडे कब है? मेरा बर्थडे चला गया है 12th of November. So, guys, do you want to learn from 10 of the best teachers having 5 years of experience? So if you want to study from amazing teachers of live online classes, then you all can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. In this Pro subscription, we are providing you some amazing benefits that are going to help you for sure in your final exams. So I can assure you that this Pro subscription is going to help you a lot for your final exams, because we are providing you all these subjects in this. You can watch account session, economic session, business studies and mathematics. सारे subjects included है, पूरा package है ये Pro subscription. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers and all the teachers will work on your weakness. हम सारी की सारी टीचर्स आपकी वीकनेस पर काम करेंगी, आपके एरियाज ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट पर काम करेंगी, which is not available on the YouTube. We cannot focus on each and every student here. But in Pro subscription, we will be focusing on individual student. Along with that, we will provide you test series, we will provide you assignments time to time, which is also not available on the YouTube. We are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online classes. आप unlimited classes देखो, accounts की, economics की, business की, mathematics की, there is no limitation. So you can watch unlimited classes of all these subjects. And all these sessions will be conducted in English only. And the most important thing, our new batches are starting from 30th March. Our new batches for class 11th and 12th are starting from 30th March. So, जल्दी से जाओ, अपने friends को बोलो and अपनी seats book करो ताकि you can study together. तो अपने friends को बोलो और खुद भी जल्दी से subscribe करो. Go and get this Pro subscription. The actual price for 1 month is 3499. Right now, we are providing you flat 20% discount. After discount, you will only have to pay 2799 for 4 subjects. So what are you waiting for? Go and take your Pro subscription right now at flat 20% discount for next session at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO. This code will help you to get 20% discount. And I will love to teach you all on Pro subscription in the next session. Hi Diksha, you are a new student. I welcome you to the platform. Hi Bushra Malik, I am all good. So, आज हम लोग बहुत important topic करने वाले हैं. The chapter name is Bills of Exchange. Yesterday also we have done the same chapter, but today we are going to discuss a very, very important topic, that is dishonor. तो आज हम कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं? Dishonor. So let's start this session because एक क्वेश्चन पक्का आएगा डिसऑनर का. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं रिवीजन and questions of bills of exchange. Okay, Punjab foodies, I was not able to read your message, so I can't reply to that one. So let's start with this session now, and here we have our 5th question. कल वाली क्लास में हम ऑलरेडी 4 क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं. Today we will start with the 5th question. And this is your question. ये है हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन. So read the question carefully. X draw on Y. X draw on Y a bill for 4,000 which was duly accepted by Y. X ने Y पे बिल ड्रॉ किया 4,000 का जो Y ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. Y meets the bill on the due date. Y उसकी पेमेंट ड्यू डेट पे कर देता है. Y meets the bill on the due date. Show what entries would be passed in the books of X. You are required to show the entries in the books of X only. हमें Y की बुक्स में एंट्री शो नहीं करनी. So show what entries would be recorded in the books of X under each of the following circumstances. हमें 4 cases given है. There are total 4 cases. We have to pass the journal entry in all of these cases in the books of X only. So let's start with the first case. The first case is if X retains the bill till the due date. If X retains the bill till the due date. So first journal entry in the books of X will be bills receivable account debit to Y. When the X will draw the bill on Y, जब X bill draw करेगा Y पे, तो journal entry will be BR to Y 4,000 and 4,000. This will be the first entry. Yes, Pushkar. Hi, Sandeep. A very good evening. So first entry will be BR to Y. I am all good. What about you? After that, on the due date, X will receive the payment. In the first case, when he retains the bill till the due date, he will receive the payment. So, on the due date, the journal entry will be cash account debit to BR. Cash account debit to BR. Hi, Vansh. Hi, Ayushi. So this is the first case. 2 entries will be recorded. First, BR to Y's account 4,000 and 4,000. Second, on the due date, the journal entry will be cash debit to BR 4,000 when he will receive the payment on the due date. Cash to BR. This is the first case. Coming on to the second case. Second case is if X discount the same with his banker paying 100 for discount. अगर X जो बिल को डिस्काउंट करा लेता है बैंक के साथ. So first entry will be same when he will draw the bill BR debit to Y's account. First entry will be same. आज हिमानी नहीं आई है. So first entry will be same BR to Y 4,000 and 4,000. उसका शायद आज प्रैक्टिकल है. उसका प्रैक्टिकल था आज अकाउंट्स का. आगे मुझे नहीं पता कि क्यों नहीं आई. How many marks do you get in 10th class? 80%. So BR debit to Y, the first entry, and second, when he discounted the bill with the bank, the journal entry will be bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to BR. Bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to BR. Well done, Diksha. You have passed the correct entry. So the BR is of 4,000. The discount paid to the bank is 100 rupees. The discounting charges are 100 rupees. So how much amount he will receive? He will receive 3,900. So these are the 2 journal entries. These are the 2 journal entries. BR to Y and then bank debit, discounting charges debit to BR. In class 12th, I got 87.5%. So this is the second journal entry. Bank debit, discounting charges debit to BR. Please solve this question. Sale goods to Vinod, but credited to his account as 134. So Sandeep, you have credited to his account as 134. His account is undercasted. So now you will credit his account again by the difference 9 rupees and you will debit suspense account. Suspense account debit to Vinod 9 rupees. Coming to the next case. Third case is if X endorse the BR to his creditor Z in full settlement of his debt of 4,080 rupees. X ने क्या किया, जो बिल था उसको एंडोर्स कर दिया अपने क्रेडिटर को Z को. तो फर्स्ट एंट्री will be same, BR debit to Y. First entry will remain same. The second entry for endorsement, the journal entry will be Z account debit. Z account debit 4080. How much amount is payable to Z? 4,080 rupees. To BR. Of how much amount the bill is endorsed? 4,000 rupees. So, in return of 4,800. Yes, sorry Sandeep, it will be debited. I thought it is purchases. It will, okay, it is credited to his account. Sandeep, I have to prepare a working note for that. So, please wait for the end of the session. I will solve it. Okay, I will solve it. So, Z account debit 4080 to BR 4,000 and the difference is discount received. Yes, Diksha. Yes, Anjali. The discount received is 80 rupees. So, X endorsed the bill of 4,000 to Z in return of 4,080. So, he is receiving discount of 80 rupees. So, this is first entry, BR to Y. The second entry is Z debit to discount received to BR. This is the second entry when the bill is endorsed to the creditor. Now coming on to the last case. The last case is if X send the bill to his banker for collection the next day. The next day, the bill is sent to the bank for collection. So, the journal entry will be, first journal entry will be same, BR to Y. The first entry will be same, BR account debit to Y's account. Then, when he send the bill to the bank for collection, जब उसने बैंक को bill भेजा collection के लिए, the journal entry will be bill sent for collection debit to BR. जब उसने bill send किया, this will be the journal entry, bill sent for collection debit to BR. And then the last entry will be when he will receive the payment. जब उसको पैसा मिलेगा तब journal entry होगी bank to bill sent for collection. Bank to bill sent for collection. Okay, दिया, we are used to it दिया, हमें आदत है मतलब सामने देख के नीचे लिखने की. Yes, Anjali, you are right. The entry will be Vinod debit to suspense. हम कई बार दो bills with difference amount आते हैं, वो वाले क्वेश्चंस कराओगे. आयुषी, हम दो बिल वाले क्वेश्चन करेंगे, तीन बिल वाले करेंगे, लेकिन सेम अमाउंट. Yes, दीक्षा. Yes, संदीप. Right entry. मैम ने बोला ब्लैक शीट में लिख रही हूँ और I know where my pen is going. Yes, we know that हमारा पेन कहाँ मूव कर रहा है, what we have to write. Hi Arzu. So this is your fourth part of the question. So now let's have a doubt of a different chapter. Doubt of Sandeep was sales to X of 143 is credited to his account as 134. Sales to X of 143 is credited to his account as 134. Now I am telling you the trick to solve this. In the correct entry, X account is to be debited. In the correct entry, X account is to be debited by 143. X account is to be debited by 143. So we will debit X by 143. By mistake, X is credited by 134. By mistake, X is credited by 134. So we will rectify the error by doing the reverse. If X is credited by mistake, do the reverse and debit X. So you will debit X account by 134. So total X is debited by, he is debited by 277. So debit X by 277 and credit suspense account. So this is the rectification entry. X account debit 277, to suspense account 277. Neelam, wait a minute, I will answer your question. Yes, Ayushi, ये संदीप का doubt था, that's why I have answered this one. Sandeep, I hope that this is now clear to you. On dishonor of discounted bill, whom does the bank loan for payment? Bank look for payment. Neelam, on dishonor of discounted bill, the bank will look for the drawer. क्योंकि बैंक ने किसको पैसा दिया है? ड्रॉर को दिया है. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ डिसऑनर ही विल लुक फॉर द ड्रॉर, बिकॉज बैंक तो ड्रॉर को ही जानता है, ड्रॉर को तो जानता ही नहीं है. हाय रोहित. सो नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू आवर सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज ऑन 20th March 2018 Naresh sold goods to Kailash to the value of 1250. नरेश भाई साहब ने कैलाश को गुड्स बेचे 1250 रुपीज के, taking a bill at 3 months for the amount. On 20th March, the bill is drawn for 3 months. 20th March को बिल ड्रॉ हुआ है 3 महीने के लिए. So April, May, June. It will be 20th June. In this, we will add 3 days of grace. 3 दिन add कर देंगे extra वाले. So your due date is 23rd June. The due date is 23rd June. Sandeep, you can see our first session of the Bills of Exchange chapter. You can see a recorded session to know the meaning of promissory note. Right now, we are only going to discuss the practical question, not the concept. So, हमारे recorded session आप देख सकते हैं. Now, please come back to the session, everyone. Hi, Arzu. On maturity, on 23rd June, on maturity, the bill was dishonored. Bill क्या हो गया? Dishonor हो गया. Naresh paid 10 as noting charges, and on 1st July, Kailash cleared his payment by paying 1260. Make the entries in the books of both the parties to record the above transaction. So let's pass the journal entry. Let's pass the journal entry. This is books of Naresh. This is books of Kailash. It is charged by the holder of the bill. On 20th March, the bill is drawn. On 20th March, the bill is drawn. So, first of all, we will record the journal entry for sales. The journal entry for sales will be Kailash account debit to sales account, and just a minute. So this is books of Naresh. This is books of Kailash. On 20th March, Kailash sold goods to Naresh sold goods to Kailash. So the journal entry will be Kailash account debit to sales. And in the books of Kailash, the journal entry will be purchases account debit to Naresh. Purchases account debit to Naresh. Ma'am, when the bill sent to bank for collection is dishonored, what will be the journal entry? We will be doing that case. Wait for your turn, Rachel. So, Kailash account debit to sales, purchases account debit to Kailash. Then the bill is drawn. The journal entry will be BR account debit to Kailash and Naresh account debit to BP. Naresh account debit to BP account. The journal entry on the due date 23rd June. On the due date 23rd June, the bill is dishonored. On 23rd June, the bill is dishonored. So what will be the journal entry when the bill is dishonored? At the time of dishonor, we pass the opposite entry. At the time of dishonor, we pass the opposite entry. So the entry will be Kailash account debit to BR. Kailash account debit to BR account and BP account debit to Naresh. We have passed the opposite entry at the time of dishonor, but also 10 rupees noting charges is paid. Also, there are 10 rupees noting charges. So, noting charges is paid by the drawer. Noting charges are paid by the drawer. So, Naresh will credit cash account. Naresh will credit cash account because he is paying 10 rupees noting charges. And now he will take 1260 from Kailash. He will take 1260 from Kailash. So Naresh has credited cash also, and these noting charges are to be ultimately borne by the drawee. ये खर्चा किसका है? ड्रॉई का है. So in the books of drawee, you will debit noting charges. In the books of drawee, you will debit noting charges 10 rupees and Kailash will pay 1260 to Naresh. Kailash will pay 1260 to Naresh. So this is the journal entry at the time of dishonor. पहले हमने reverse entry pass करी, then we have credited cash in the books of drawer and we have debited noting charges in the books of drawee. यहाँ पर कैश क्रेडिट कर दिया, यहाँ पर नोटिंग चार्जेस डेबिट कर दिए. Then it is said that on 1st July, Kailash cleared his account by paying 1260. He paid to Naresh 1260. So the journal entry on 1st July will be, on 1st July, the journal entry will be cash account debit to Kailash. How much amount is received? 1260. And Kailash is making payment, so the entry will be Naresh account debit to cash account 1260. These 4 entries will be passed in the books of Kailash and Naresh. Hi Soham. So ये 4 entries record होंगी नरेश और कैलाश की बुक में. This is your answer. Ma'am, Chu Mantar. Ma'am will be back in 2 minutes, guys. Because if I will be visible, the question will be invisible. So एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज दिख सकती है. आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ा होगा ना. If the quantity of one increases, the quantity of other commodity must decrease. मैम भूत है भाई. मैम भूत नहीं है. मैम को भूत मत बनाओ. सो ये है आपका सॉल्यूशन. हम सॉल्यूशन ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू दी थर्ड क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. CID. बच्चों क्लास पर ध्यान दो. क्लास पर. All the best, AS King. Hi, Jack. Jack and Jill. So coming to our next question. ये है हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन. तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन को. On 15th June 2017, Mohan sold goods to Sohan. Mohan sold goods to Sohan valued at 2000. मोहन भाई साहब ने सोहन को गुड्स बेचे of 2000. He drew a bill at 3 months. So on 15th June, the bill is drawn for 3 months. So 15th September. Yes, DIY narration लिखना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Now after 3 months, the date will be 15 September, in which we will add 3 days of grace. So it will be 18th September. It will be 18th September. He drew a bill at 3 months for the amount and discounted the same with his banker at 1960. मोहन ने बैंक के पास जाके वो बिल डिस्काउंट करा लिया फॉर 1960. मीन्स 40 रुपए 40 रुपीज आर डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस. ऑन द ड्यू डे द बिल वॉज डिसऑनर्ड. मोहन ने बिल डिस्काउंट करा लिया और ड्यू डेट पे बिल क्या हो गया? डिसऑनर हो गया. बैंक को जो पैसा मिलना था वो पैसा मिला ही नहीं. And Mohan paid to the bank the amount. Mohan paid the bank to the amount plus the noting charges of 10. Draft the journal entries in the books of all the parties. We are required to pass the journal entries in the books of all the parties. तो चलिए करते हैं क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व. लेट्स रिकॉर्ड द जर्नल एंट्रीज. ये है मोहन की बुक्स, ये है सोहन की बुक्स. 15th जुलाई को मोहन ने गुड्स बेचे सोहन को. On 15th July, Mohan sold goods to Sohan. So Sohan account debit. Hi Manjeet. Sohan account debit to sales. Ma'am again going to Gayab. So, hi Abu. I can't conduct the whole session in English because we have students also. Those are not able to understand the session in English. So I have to use the both languages, English and Hindi. So Mohan sold goods to Sohan. The entry will be Sohan account debit to sales account. In the books of Sohan, the journal entry will be purchases account debit to Mohan account. Sohan की बुक्स में क्या एंट्री होगी? Purchases to Mohan. On the same day, Sohan discounted the bill with the bank. Guys, I am not going to reply any one of you now because I have to focus on the screen. मुझे यहाँ पर फोकस करना है तो मैं भी आपकी कमेंट्स का रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So now when the Mohan discounted the bill with the bank, ये हमारी शीतल मैम है और यहाँ बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज हो रहा है. फोकस फोकस, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, तो कृपया करके सेशन पर ध्यान दीजिए बच्चों. So the journal entry at the time of discounting will be bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to BR. सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिल तो ड्रॉ कर लो, हमने सीधा डिस्काउंट करा लिया. So first the bill will be drawn, the entry will be BR account debit to Sohan. BR account debit to Sohan 2000. Sohan will accept the bill, the entry will be BP account debit to Mohan. उसने बिल एक्सेप्ट किया, BP to Mohan 2000 and 2000. After that, the bill is discounted with the bank by Mohan. So Mohan will pass the journal entry bank debit, discounting charges debit to BR. 2000 bill is discounted for 1960. 2000 वाला बिल उसने कितने में डिस्काउंट कराया? 1960 में, 1960 में. 40 rupees are discounting charges. 40 rupees are discounting charges. And at this time, no entry will be recorded in the books of Sohan. No entry will be recorded in the books of Sohan. After that, the bill is dishonored. After that, the bill is dishonored. The due date is 18th of September. The due date is 18th of September and the bill is dishonored. So the journal entry at the time of dishonor will be in the books of Mohan. The journal entry will be सोहन अकाउंट डेबिट. वो सोहन से पैसे लेगा क्योंकि बिल डिसऑनर हो गया है, एंड ही विल पे टू बैंक. So at the time of dishonor, the journal entry in the books of Mohan will be Sohan account debit. उसने सोहन से पैसे लिए to bank. And how much amount he will pay to bank? He will pay 2010 rupees. He will pay 2010 rupees. 2000 of the bill and 10 rupees noting charges. So he will take 2010 from Sohan and will pay to the bank. The journal entry, why is bank credited? Rachel, because the bill is discounted by Mohan. So now if the bill is dishonored, bank will come to Mohan. So who will make payment to the bank? Mohan will make payment to the bank. So that's why he is crediting bank. Because now the bill is dishonored and he has to make payment to the bank. Because the drawee Sohan is not making the payment. In the books of Sohan, the journal entry will be, in the books of Sohan, the journal entry will be, here I have passed the wrong entry. किसी ने भी नहीं बताया, यहाँ पर मैंने opposite entry pass कर दी guys. The entry will be Mohan account debit to BP. जल्दी जल्दी में गलत entry pass कर दी, आप लोगों ने भी नहीं बताया. अबू मैथ्स क्लास is at 11 AM और वो already हो चुकी है. It is already done. Now the bill is dishonored, so the journal entry in the books of Sohan will be BP account debit, noting charges account debit to Mohan. The dishonor entry in the books of Sohan will be BP account debit 2000, noting charges account debit 10, and he will pay 2010 rupees to Mohan. So this is the journal entry at the time of dishonor. ये journal entry pass होगी at the time of dishonor in the books of Mohan and Sohan. After that, after the dishonor of bill, Mohan paid to the bank. After the dishonor of the bill, Mohan paid to the bank. So there will be one more entry in the books of Mohan. There will be one more entry in the books of Mohan. That will be bank account debit to cash account. Bank account debit to cash account 2010 rupees. 2010 rupees. So he will finally pay to the bank. So here is your solution, guys. In the books of Mohan, these are the first 4 journal entries. In the books of Mohan, these are the first 4 journal entries. The 5th journal entry will be bank to cash. This is the last entry, bank to cash. Pushkar, you can ask it at the end of the session. If we have sufficient time, then I will answer it. And these are the books of Sohan. Sohan की books में सिर्फ 3 entry pass होंगी, purchase की, bill accepted की, and the dishonor. These are the entries in the books of Sohan. Is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? Doubt session will come after revision. Doubt session will come after revision and we are not sure that we will be having it because यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, daily नए बच्चे होते हैं. If we will conduct doubt session, so it will be a lot of difficult for the teachers to take doubts. So let's see when it will come. So now coming on to the last question, and this is a very important question. ये आया है बहुत बढ़िया वाला क्वेश्चन. दिया, रिवीजन कब खत्म होगी? नो आइडियाज, अभी कुछ नहीं पता कब खत्म होगी. So now coming on to the next question. On 15th of January 2017, Kusum sold goods for 30,000. Guys, 1 second. 1 मिनट दीजिएगा कृपया करके. So let's go to the question. This is our next question, which is very important. On trial balance का revision हो गया. You can check out in the playlist. I don't remember कि हुआ या नहीं हुआ. अगर हो गया होगा तो recorded session available होगा. नहीं हुआ होगा तो 1-2 दिन में हो जाएगा. On January 15th, 2017, Kusum sold goods for 30,000 to Pushpa. Hi Yashmit. Kusum sold goods for 30,000 to Pushpa. Hi Himani. आप पीछे से वीडियो देख रहे थे. Okay. And Kusum draw upon her 3 bills of exchange. Ayushi, there are 3 bills. तो कुसुम ने पुष्पा को 30,000 के गुड्स बेचे और पुष्पा के ऊपर 3 बिल ड्रॉ करे ऑफ 10,000, ईच पेबल आफ्टर 1 मंथ। एक बिल 1 महीने बाद पे होगा, दूसरा 2 मंथ बाद होगा, एंड थर्ड वन आफ्टर 3 मंथ। देयर विल बी अलग अलग डिफरेंट ड्यू डेट्स फॉर ईच बिल. One is payable after 1 month, second is payable after 2 months, and third is payable after 3 months. This types of question will come for 6 marks. The first bill was retained by Kusum till the maturity. पहला जो बिल है वो कुसुम ने अपने पास रखा है till the date of maturity. The second bill was endorsed by her in the favor of her creditor Khushbu. Second वाला उसने endorse कर दिया, and the third one was discounted by her immediately at the rate 6% per annum. All the bills were met by Pushpa. सारे के सारी बिल की पेमेंट कर दी है पुष्पा ने. Journalize the above transaction. Journalize the above transaction. So let's solve this question now. This is going to be very interesting one. Kusum and Pushpa. This is the books of Kusum and this is the books of Pushpa. Hard नहीं है ये question, hard नहीं है. It is not at all tough. देखते हैं कैसे होगा. Kusum sold goods to Pushpa. The journal entry will be Pushpa account debit to sales account. Pushpa account debit to sales account 30,000 and 30,000. Pushpa purchased goods from Kusum. So purchases account debit to Kusum 30,000 and 30,000. After that, on 15th of January, Kusum has drawn 3 bills. Pushpa, I hate tears. So, पुष्पा के ऊपर 3 बिल ड्रॉ किए हैं, कुसुम ने 3 बिल ड्रॉ किए. सो द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी BR account debit, BR account debit, BR account debit. How many bills are drawn? 3 bills. किस पे? On पुष्पा. पुष्पा रोने का नहीं है, 3 बिल ड्रॉ हो चुके हैं. 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. 3 bills are drawn on पुष्पा. पुष्पा को समझाओ कि रोना नहीं है, 3 बिल ड्रॉ हो गए, कोई बात नहीं, सब पे कर देंगे. पुष्पा had accepted each bill, so the journal entry will be Kusum account debit to BP, to BP, to BP. बस पुष्पा का BP हाई ना हो जाए. So 30,000 उसने 3 बिल एक्सेप्ट किए, 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Good evening उन्नति. पुष्पा यूजिंग क्रेडिट कार्ड. अगर एक बिल डिसऑनर हो जाता तो एंट्री वही होती जो नॉर्मल डिसऑनर की एंट्री होती है. जो डिसऑनर की नॉर्मली एंट्री होती है वही एंट्री पास होगी. यहाँ पर कुछ चमत्कार थोड़ी होगा कि अलग एंट्री पास होगी. सेम एंट्री विल बी रिकॉर्डेड. Now, the first bill is retained by her. पहला बिल उसी के पास रहा है. जो सेकंड बिल है वो उसने एंडोर्स कर दिया है to her creditor Khushbu. So the entry in the books of Kusum will be Khushbu account debit to BR. Khushbu account debit to BR 10,000 and 10,000. No entry will be recorded in the books of Pushpa. पुष्पा की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी क्योंकि एंडोर्स किसने किया? कुसुम ने किया. So the journal entry in the books of Kusum will be Khushbu account debit to BR. Khushbu account debit 2 BR. After that, the third bill is discounted with the bank. The third bill is discounted with the bank at the rate of 6%. तीसरा बिल जो है वो डिस्काउंट करा लिया, तो एंट्री क्या होगी? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 2 BR. 10,000 वाला बिल डिस्काउंट कराया है, डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस विल बी 10,000 multiplied by 6 upon 100 multiplied by 3 by 12, because third bill is payable after 3 months. So it will be 150 rupees. It will be 150 rupees. Discounting charges will be 150. Shubham, 3 months bhi hai. You have to take 3 months also. So it will be 150. So how much amount she will receive now? She will receive 9,850 rupees. 9,850 rupees. And no entry will be recorded in the books of Pushpa. Pushpa की books में कोई भी entry नहीं होगी. After that, पहले बिल की पेमेंट रिसीव होगी. The first bill payment will be received on 18th of February. After 1 month, the first bill payment will be received by Kusum, because that bill is retained by her till the date of maturity. कुसुम ने पहला बिल अपने पास ही रखा तो उसको पेमेंट मिल जाएगी. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 2 BR. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 2 BR 10,000 and 10,000. पहले बिल की पेमेंट मिल गई. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 2 BR. तो journal entry in the books of Pushpa on 18th February will be BP account debit to cash 10,000. BP account debit to cash 10,000. After that, the second bill due date will come. Second bill due date is 18th March. After 2 months, the second bill due date will come. Pushpa will make the payment. BP account debit to cash 10,000. BP account debit to cash 10,000. Pushpa will make the payment. But no entry will be made in the books of Kusum, because Kusum had endorsed the bill. Kusum के पास तो बिल है ही नहीं, तो उसको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. आई नो शुभम कि मैं विजिबल नहीं हूं. अगर मैं विजिबल होंगी तो एंट्रीज नहीं दिखेंगी आपको. सो 18 मार्च को सेकेंड बिल की पेमेंट पुष्पा कर देगी, लेकिन उसकी कोई भी एंट्री रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगी इन दी बुक्स ऑफ कुसुम, बिकॉज शी हैड एंडोर्स्ड द बिल. थर्ड बिल विल बी मैच्योर्ड ऑन 18th of April. थर्ड बिल की मैच्योरिटी डेट आएगी 18th अप्रैल को. 18th April, there is no difference between due date and date of maturity. Anjali, there is no difference. They are same. On 18th April, Pushpa will make the payment for the third bill. Pushpa will make the payment for the third bill 10,000. And for this also, no entry will be recorded in the books of Kusum, because it is discounted with bank. इसकी भी कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी कुसुम की बुक्स में, क्योंकि उसने ये बिल डिस्काउंट करा लिया बैंक से. So these are the journal entries when there are different bills. These are the journal entries when there are different bills. सिर्फ फर्स्ट बिल की पेमेंट मिलेगी कुसुम को, because she had retained only first bill till the date of maturity. उसने सिर्फ पहला बिल अपने पास रखा है, बाकी उसने बांट दिए. एक बैंक को दे दिया, एक खुशबू को दे दिया. सी जो खुशबू है जिसको आपने बिल एंडोर्स किया है वो आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में वो नहीं मांगा. दी क्वेश्चन इज नॉट आस्किंग यू फॉर द बुक्स ऑफ खुशबू. तो आपने खुशबू को बिल एंडोर्स किया है, लेकिन उसकी बुक्स आप नहीं बनाओगे क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में नहीं पूछा. तो हमें एवे ही टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना. So this is your solution. ये है आपका solution. मैम बैंक रीबेट देती है क्या if draw pay payment before maturity? बैंक नहीं देती, वो ड्रॉर देता है. बैंक नहीं देती वो रिबेट पुश कर, वो ड्रॉर देता है, ड्रॉर. So these are your journal entries, guys. This is your solution. You can check it out later from the notes in the PDF. Now tell me, is this question clear to all of you? क्या ये क्वेश्चन सबको क्लियर है? अगर बिल बैंक के पास है तो भी रिबेट मिलेगा. अगर वो पहले पेमेंट दे रहा है तो रिबेट मिलेगा. मैम प्लीज रिप्लाई, थर्ड बिल को बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन या कुछ कराया नहीं क्या? थर्ड बिल वो था ना, बिल डिस्काउंटेड विद बैंक. थर्ड बिल जो था वो डिस्काउंटेड विद बैंक था. ये रहा हिमानी, जो सबसे ऊपर जो एंट्री है, दिस इज द थर्ड बिल दैट इज डिस्काउंटेड विद द बैंक. तो इसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं हुई ना. जब पेमेंट रिसीव हुई, नो एंट्रीज रिकॉर्डेड, क्योंकि वो बिल डिस्काउंट हो गया बैंक के साथ. तो वो पेमेंट किसको मिलेगी? अब बैंक को मिलेगी. कुसुम की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी ड्यू डेट पे. सो इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस और नो? बताइए बच्चों पार्टी, इज दिस क्लियर? Yes, Himani. Yes, Anjali. So that's it for today, guys. If you want more classes like this in which you want to solve more practical questions with me, then you all can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you some amazing benefits that will surely help you to score good marks in your final exams. So your final exams are coming soon, and also the new batches are going to be start from 30th March. Class 12 के नया बैच स्टार्ट होने वाला है 30th मार्च से. So जल्दी से जाओ, book your seats, call your friends to book their seats, ताकि आप लोग साथ में पढ़ सके. Ma'am, when the bill sent for collection is dishonored, what will be the journal entry? So, when the bill sent for collection is dishonored, the journal entry is drawee account debit to bill sent for collection. Drawee account debit to bill sent for collection. Okay, the journal entry at the time of dishonor will be drawee account debit to bill sent for collection. So the actual price of the Pro subscription for 1 month is 3499, but right now we are providing you flat 20% discount, after which you will only have to pay 2799 for 1 month. So what are you waiting for? Go and book your seats right now for the upcoming new batches, because we are giving you flat 20% discount right now. To get this discount, you may use my code SCPRO. This will help you to get 20% discount on Pro subscription. And I would love to teach you all on Pro subscription. So guys, if you want daily updates and daily notes from us, then what you have to do, you have to subscribe our channel Vedantu Commerce, and don't forget to like this video and share this. जल्दी से जाओ वीडियो को like करो और share करो. You guys can also join our official Telegram group if you want to receive the notes in the PDF form. तो जल्दी से जाओ और ज्वाइन करो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को. The link is in the description box below. Now see you all in the next chapter tomorrow at 4 PM. तो कल मिलते हैं 4 बजे दूसरे चैप्टर के साथ. That is BRS. Tomorrow we will do bank reconciliation statement. So thank you everyone for watching this session. Now see you all in the next session tomorrow at 4 PM. आज कोई गाना नहीं होगा क्योंकि गाने तो alternate day होते हैं. मैम ने कल गाना गाया था तो आज मैम गाना नहीं गाएंगी. So we'll have song tomorrow. So stay tuned for the tomorrow session. See you all tomorrow. Till then, good night. Have sweet dreams and take care. Bye bye everyone. Studio बंद है आज. Alternate day खुलता है. Bye Rashil, bye Pushkar, bye Priyanka, bye everyone. Thank you for attending this session and don't forget to like this video.